She's got the eyes of a diva, the brains of a hustler. From Bigg Boss to Wait, she's done it all. Give it up for Jia Shankar. Jia's got the kind of style that stops the scroll and the screen time to match. Welcome to Vibe Match, presented by Myntra. Jia, I have to say, it's giving a glam goddess.
Am I?
First segment for you is called 60 and Sassy. Okay? In this segment, after you see their face, which basically has been, with artificial intelligence, we have made them look like what they will look like after they're 60 years old. We'll hear them. There are 8 fans. Okay? Now I'll tell you the tough parts. After you hear the audio of all the 8 people, one we have to eliminate.
Okay, fine.
Alright. I will show you the first one, okay? He's a little sorrow is in his eyes, I feel. What do you think?
He looks sad.
Should we hear what he has to say?
हाय जिया जी, शिवम रामाजी हियर। देखकर आपकी मुस्कुराहट हम होश गवा बैठे। हम होश में आने ही वाले थे। जिया जी, आप फिर मुस्कुरा बैठे।
You like it?
Oh, that was very sweet. That was
Yeah.
very sweet. I really liked him.
Second one.
Hi Jia, this is Mandeep. I'd like to say I find you very sweet, genuine and kind as much as I've seen you on TV. So I think we'll be compatible as a match.
Compatible.
Oh my god.
Audio, please.
Hey Jia, this is me at 60. Some things fade with time. And I know you'd have heard this a lot, but your smile, still dangerously ravishing, and that dimple, still undefeated. Rahul.
Wow,
Now
that was
took it out.
sweet.
Sweet.
I thought he was sweet.
Yeah.
Hey, every time I see you, my Jia skips a beat and I need a Shankar to put it back in rhythm. That's Dr. Keshav Mehta. Looking forward to meet you. In fact, super excited. Hopefully, I see you soon.
Audio of the 5th person.
Hi Jia, this is me from the 60s. But even at the 60, I will be the same fanboy sliding into your DM and still waiting for a reply.
Very cute. Little nervous.
This is number 6.
I don't.
Hey Jia, I'm Malin Ashar. We got 8 fans out here for 1 star. Jia Shankar. Don't know how I got here, but I'm glad the universe slipped me into this guest list.
Is that
That's
it?
it. What?
Okay, I have,
that?
yeah. I did not. What was that about?
What was that? He's busy.
Yeah, very. Play the audio of the 7th person.
Hi Jia, I'm Ankit. तुझं नाव घेतलं की लाजतो मी जरा. जिया असं गोडस नाव वाटतं घ्यावं पुन्हा पुन्हा.
Wow.
Ooh, I like him. Audio.
Hi Jia, I am Sahil Patil. ऐसा कहते हैं हर एक चीज वक्त पे हो तो ही अच्छी लगती है, पर एक आप हो जो हर वक्त अच्छी लगती हो.
Wow, हर वक्त अच्छी लगती
Yes.
है.
Don't call me in the morning though.
We have to eliminate one person.
Oh, we have to eliminate now. Ho gaya?
Yeah.
Okay, we heard all of them. This guy.
Can we bring number 6, please?
What's up?
Welcome. How are you?
I'm Malin. Nice to meet you. I was preparing for the other rounds and I actually had something great for the second round.
Thank you.
Bye.
The next segment, Jia, is 5 in 30. This is where we meet the boys. All right. Welcome, boys. Jia, all of these green flags are styled in the hottest Myntra drips. Now, this round basically means, in this segment, each of them get 30 seconds to impress you however they want.
Okay.
And we'll see what they do and then we'll decide.
Yes.
All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Come in. Yeah.
You're Ukhana guy.
Oh, okay. He's my Ukhana guy.
Yes. Since I, don't know anything about you.
You don't know anything about
you, about yourself. I mean, so I didn't want to do anything that you wouldn't like. मैं आपका fanboy भी हूँ, to be honest. So I.
जिसे मेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं पता.
I'm gonna say you narrate a short piece that I write. Can we have a crazy love story? The rawness of young hearts, the innocence of the first time, the tidal emotions, the thrill, the excitement. We secretly meet and we roam around in crazy affection. And when it's time to go back home, go back to the world, we finally fade into each other's arms.
Wow.
Thank you, Ji.
Fantastic.
पाना खोना एक तरफ, तेरा होना एक तरफ है तेरी आंखें, बाकी दुनिया एक तरफ.
That's very.
Thank you. I have got something for your cat.
Oh, it's so cute. Okay.
Did you guess it?
No.
This is ballet.
This was your song Bas Tera Hu with Abhimanyu, the hook step.
Oh, it was that. I messed up.
रात भर में आपकी तारीफ चांद से कर रहा था, वो जलकर सूरज बन गया। सुबह मैंने उसको आपकी फोटो दिखाई और अब वो रो रहा है। सुबह से बारिश हो रही है। हाय जिया, आई एम योर बिग फैन एंड आई विश मैं आपके लिए कभी कमल ककड़ी की सब्जी बनाऊं और आप उसको खाने के लिए आए।
Oh, that's sweet. Okay.
थैंक यू।
Fantastic, fantastic. Who do you want to eliminate?
I have to eliminate 2, right?
2, 1, and I think Kamal Kakadi can go. Thank you so much. You were wonderful. You were wonderful too. Okay, from there. Come, you also
Thank
come.
you. Thank
were
you
also
for
amazing.
putting in efforts. I appreciate it. I'm really sorry.
Now is the next segment, okay? And it's called Unlock the Vibe. Because now we will be taking your phones and unlocking it and going through it.
I love this.
Yes. This is Keshav's phone, okay? Can you go to Google
anybody's
Maps?
phone.
I want to see where he has gone. SG Studio, Stage 25 Studio.
Nisha.
Mantri Sari Towers. Who's in Mantri Sari Towers? Who's there?
Friends.
Recently deleted.
My,
The
oh
fear.
my god, I love this phone. Huh? This is very cute. I had this phone at some point in my life.
He's put my picture as wallpaper.
Did you do this now?
Brownie point.
No. Long back.
Since childhood. you-
+2 aura.
सबसे पहले. Oh, he's joined my broadcast channel as well.
Wow.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Oh. बहुत काम करता है.
Who did he call last? Did he say Oyo?
Oyo what?
Oh, your rooms.
They might be a promotional text.
Hinge.
Hinge. Let's open Hinge. A dating app.
But it's not
Can
like
we
this.
swipe?
See, you can swipe, huh?
That only.
No matches. Hey, hidden है सब hidden.
Oh, we have got it.
They are
We
old
found it.
This is like a long letter as well.
Dear Jia, read it. One paragraph at least.
Dear Jia,
हाँ.
मैं आपको पर्सनली नहीं जानता पर पता नहीं क्यों आप हमेशा अपने रोल से रिलेटेबल लगती हैं। शायद वो आंखों में जो स्पार्क है या वो एनर्जी जो हर सीन में फील होती है।
Wow. What a
Okay.
wonderful person, yeah.
He was well prepared in a good way.
I'm impressed. You have managed to impress me also.
But
He has asked me to do something. He has asked me to go to his Fossil app.
Oh,
This is you, by the way.
okay. He's put my picture on the watch.
Technology, yeah.
Technology. हमारा वर्ड technology.
Well done. Now we have to pick one person that we didn't vibe with, right?
Mandeep will go.
Mandeep, I'm so sorry. Come here.
No problem.
You're looking very good, Mandeep. I want to tell you,
Yeah.
I love the outfit. All right, these are our 4 finalists in the next segment, which is Unfiltered Feels, which is a one-on-one conversation between you and every one of them, okay? Each one of them. You get 5 minutes, you can ask whatever.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
You look really pretty. I love your hair color. It's amazing.
What hangout have you planned for us?
For you? Actually, I am from Patna. I would like to take you to my hometown.
Would you rather have a golgappa with me on a roadside stand? मतलब रेडी or pasta with me in a fine dining restaurant? Assuming you like pasta.
Golgappa, obviously.
Golgappa.
Yes.
Okay, that's the fine.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color. Yes. We are on a date, and finally, I have been asked what is my favorite color. Do you have a girlfriend?
I actually do.
Good.
Yeah.
I like
I'm just
it when
being
boys are honest.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm just being honest.
To Jia. तुम्हें जितने बार स्क्रीन पे देखा है मैं उनमें से हर एक स्माइल को याद रखता हूँ।
What is your ideal first date? Okay.
I think just a lunch date.
Okay, so let me be more specific. Is it just a shant baat-sheet?
Yeah. What do you do?
I am actually a dentist turned actor.
Oh, that.
I know आपको बहुत लोगों ने बोला होगा you have a cute smile. I'm also one of them. You have genuinely a very, very, very cute smile. Seriously, I'm saying like seriously.
Okay.
All right. Well done. I'm happy that you all did this.
Yeah.
Now, वो गाड़ी आ गई है. you have to pick our top 3 to go into the final segment.
Okay, Satyam is going to the next round. Keshav is going to the next round. And
Shocking.
Rahul is going to the next round.
Rahul, contemporary. Sahil.
Sorry, Sahil.
Sahil, you have killed it today. That dance was amazing. Next segment we're moving on to is called Fit for the Fields. Is the next segment, okay? ये हमारे अच्छे बच्चे आपके लिए एक आउटफिट चुनेंगे, okay? That they think will look good on you when they hang out with you. तो उसके बाद you will select an outfit जो आपको अच्छा लगे.
Okay.
Now, whichever outfit that you pick, that you love the most, because they are not going to be standing with the outfit. The outfits alone will be standing or put on a hanger. You will pick one, and whichever you pick, whoever picked that outfit for you will be the winner of Fight Match, Jia Shankar edition. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Multicolor dress I liked because this suits her personality. Funky, outgoing, fun-loving. Baki thode yellow, blue, purple, all those dresses were very basic and generic. So I think this will suit her more, and I really hope she likes it.
वो blue वाली dress मैंने इसलिए select करी क्योंकि it had very simple cuts. It was classy. Jia को अच्छा लगता वो.
The purple dress because I've seen Jia in white, I've seen her in black and number of lighter shades. But there was one picture of Jia which I noticed. She was in a maroon dress, and from there I had this idea कि उस पे dark shades बहुत अच्छे जाएंगे.
Welcome back. The boys have picked the fit.
The boys have picked.
The boys have picked. Come, I'll tell you which one belongs to who. So this one is from Keshav.
Okay.
This
Like
one is
colour.
from our Satyam.
Okay.
This one is from our shair, poet, writer, Rahul.
Okay.
Now, what I'm going to do is
Okay.
going to pick an outfit. Don't tell me.
Of course not.
The boys have picked well nonetheless.
Yeah.
What I want to know is which one your vibe is. That you can pick, and you will come back wearing it. By then, I'll be here with the boys already.
Yeah.
And they will know who the
Winner
winner
is.
is. That is correct. Alright, welcome back, boys. You've given the outfits to Jia. You've picked one each. We don't know what she has picked. When she walks in now, she'll be wearing that outfit. Okay? Whoever picked that outfit out of you will be the winner. Should we call Jia? Jia, please come inside. Yes, and the winner is Rahul. Rahul, well done.
Oh, okay.
Rahul,
Yeah.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Jia, this is your vibe twin.
Yes, sorry,
Your
heels
fan
didn't fit
soulmate
me, so.
and your
Congrats.
Mintra style match.
Yeah.
Well done, all of you. Well done, first of all. And thank you so much to you guys too. The outfits were great anyway, but this obviously was about
Yeah.
the one that she loved the most.
Yeah.
Now, we have
But-
come to the end of this, you guys.
Yeah.
A fun episode where you found your vibe twin, your Mintra style match.
Yes.
Fantastic. I'm happy for you. Well done. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, Keshav. Thank you, Satyam, for being a part. And that's a wrap on this episode of Mintra Presents Vibe Match, where fans flex, freaked out, and fit check their way into their favorite celeb's heart. Want to serve looks and win hearts in real life? You know the drill. Only on the one-stop style shop, Mintra. Keep playing and slaying on Glam Stream. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Until then, have fun. Bye-bye.